guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for the Daily Goodie Box. It's really jam-packed in there. The Daily Goodie Box is a website where you can join. It's free and you fill out a profile, and if you're selected you get a free box of goodies. All they ask is that you review it. You can also win boxes on their social media if you follow them. So I will have all that linked below, and we're just going to dig in. So the first thing I'm finding is Moringa Organic Tea, and this is chocolate tea, which sounds really awesome, and it's caffeine free, which is perfect for me because I have a caffeine sensitivity, so I can actually drink that one. Next up, we have NEATwipes. These are biodegradable and they kill 99.9% of germs. That's awesome. I believe we got something like this many months ago, and I had them like in my purse and loved them. And they have all sorts of nice things in them, like lavender essential oil, no parabens, all that good stuff. And we also have good for you in our planet. You're supposed to wet your toothbrush, chew a tablet, brush, and rinse. That's cool. So instead of like liquid toothpaste, it's a little tablet. That's awesome. There's also a promo code there on the back. Then we have Bamboo Nature Snuggle Time Body Lotion for the love of babies, birds, bees, and trees. Then we have some turmeric salt. This is vegan. Let me see what's in here. Sea salt, turmeric, spices, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper. Very cool. I bet that's really good. And turmeric is supposed to be like super good for you. This is cool too, peanut butter bites. That looks fun. Just has roasted peanuts, cane sugar, a little bit of salt and cornstarch in it. I can't wait to try that. I'm on a very super strict diet for the next like week or so I can't have anything with like added sugar. But can't wait for these. Oh my gosh. It's like feels like a giant Tootsie Roll. That's what it feels like. And I'm gonna keep these in my purse so I don't get hangry while I'm out. Yum. Next up, we have a Breathe Ease Aroma Inhaler, peppermint and eucalyptus. I love that. Inhale 1 to 2 times in each nostril as often as needed. That's amazing. Definitely will use that. Then we have some samples in a little Ziploc bag. Cashew cacao spread. That does have added sugar in it a little bit, so I can't eat that currently, but again, another thing I'm definitely going to enjoy. Then we have a hazelnut cacao spread. Hemp and Brazil nut butter blend, and then a raw walnut butter with cashews. These are all organic. Excited. Pretty clean ingredients there. It's just the nuts. Some of them have a little bit of sugar, but it doesn't look like all of them do, so that's awesome. Very cool. And then at the bottom, there's always a paper clip, normally with additional information from the companies and sometimes promo codes. So like this one has a 20% off. And they show some additional products on the back. Then we have a flyer here for the organic tea, the miracle tea, and all their different flavors. They got lots of them. And the last card is from Bambo Nature, promo code for that one. So like I said, if you guys are interested in signing up, trying to win a box, make sure you check out the description box below and you'll find all that information. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.